In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create web forms on Getresponse. We're going to walk through the fastest and most straightforward way to build a form and add it to your website. So by the end, you'll know exactly what to click and why it matters. First, once you're logged into your Getresponse account, look toward the main navigation and go to the section labeled Tools. This is where most of the creation features live. From there, select Forms and Pop-ups. This takes you to the area where all your existing forms are listed and where you can create new ones. On this page, look for the button that says Create Form or Pop-up and click it. This is your starting point for any new form. Getresponse will now ask you what kind of form you want to create. Since we want something that sits directly on your website, choose In-App Form. This option is designed for forms that you embed into your pages rather than something that appears as a separate pop-up. Next, you'll see a library of templates. These are pre-made designs that you can customize so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Take a moment to browse through and pick a template that matches your brand style and the goal of your form, whether that's newsletter signups, lead magnets, or simple contact collection. Once you find one you like, select it to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you can adjust the text, fields, and layout, but one of the most important things to set up is where your contacts will be saved. To do that, look for the Settings option, usually represented by a small gear icon. Click that, and you'll see a field labeled Target List. Choose the email list where you want all new form signups to be stored. This step is crucial because if you skip it, your new contacts may not land in the list you expect. After you're happy with the design and the target list is correctly selected, it's time to get your form onto your website. Look for the option to publish or update, then click Update. Getresponse will generate a piece of JavaScript code for you. Copy this code and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear, typically in the body section of the relevant page. Once that's in place and your site is updated, your new Getresponse web form should be live and ready to capture contacts.